explain and present about our work that have done lately. Before we explain about our work, allow us to introduce ourselves. I'm Javia Sunita with class student number 1067.
And my name is Mutiara Arfat Saada with class student number 046.
I'm Izan Alia with class student number 055.
And my name is Atika Nurul Masura with class student number 080.
My name is Anissa Nabila Mardika with class student number 0.
Okay, now let's dive into the explanation.
Okay everyone, in this video, our group will analyze a classroom management case in Young Learner English class. The case is about Miss Dewi, a new English teacher who faces several problems such as noisy student, passive participation, mixed ability level, and difficulties in managing integrated language skill activities. We will identify the problem, analyze the causes, and provide practical solutions and strategies to create a more effective and engaging classroom.
From the previous text, it can be analyzed that there are several problems related to the classroom management. One of the main problems is an unconducive classroom situation where students are being very noisy and easily distracted, which makes it difficult for the teacher to manage about 30 students with different skills and different learning abilities. As a result, only a few students actively participate while the others remain passive. This problem may happen because the classroom activities are not engaging enough for the students and there are no clear classroom rules to maintain discipline. In addition, unclear instruction and unstructured activities can confuse students and reduce the effectiveness of learning. One of the least effective activities in the class is the writing activity, where many students ask for help at the same time, which makes the teacher get overwhelmed in guiding students equally.
Next, part 2, solution design. To solve a problem in Miss Dewi's classroom, we can use practical and simple strategies. These strategies make the student more confident and more focused while learning English in a fun and supportive environment.
Before starting the lesson, the teacher explains simple classroom rules such as be quiet, listen to the teacher, and hands on the desk. Then the class is divided into two teams to collect stars by answering questions, participating actively, and following the rules. If students become noisy, the teacher reminds them that their team may lose a star. This activity helps students work together and stay motivated. The lesson starts with a listening activity using a short and fun video about daily routines. Before watching, the teacher introduced some keywords like wake up, take a bath, eat breakfast, and go to school. While watching the video, the teacher pauses and asks students to repeat the sentence together. This activity helps students practice listening and speaking in a fun and simple way.
Next, in the reading activity, students are given a text about daily routines that they have previously practiced pronunciation from YouTube. The teacher adapts the text and prints it so students can read it again to strengthen their understanding. First, students read the text together as a class so they finish at the same time and no one is left behind. After that, the teacher introduces a pointing reading game where students read the text and stop at any point and then randomly point to their classmate to continue reading. If their classmate cannot continue or make mistakes, they don't get a point. This helps all students stay focused and actively follow the reading activity. The game can be repeated 2 until 3 rounds to improve their fluency and comprehension. Then, the lesson continues with speaking activity using guessing-caster game. Students work in pairs and come to the front. One student performs a guesser, and then other students guess the sentences. After that, they switch roles. This activity helps students practice speaking in a fun way and increase their confidence in using English because the speaking activity is designed like a game. It also ensures that all students get equal opportunities to speak, not only a few active students.
Last, the final activity is writing. At this stage, students work individually on a simple worksheet, such as arranging scrambled words into correct sentences about daily activities. Before they begin, the teacher should model one example on the board and explain the steps clearly. This helps students feel more prepared and confident. If they need help, they can raise their hand and when ready, rather than going to each student one by one, the teacher can answer common questions for the whole class so that everyone benefits from the explanation. Students who finish early may complete a small extension task such as coloring a picture or writing one extra sentence, and this keeps the class calm and allows every student to stay engaged until the end of the lesson. Through these activities, the teacher is able to guide students through listening, reading, speaking, and writing in one connected lesson. The use of clear rules, teamwork, games, visual support, and gentle guidance help create a classroom atmosphere that feels organized, encouraging, and joyful for young learners.
In conclusion, effective classroom management is very important in teaching young learners. Teachers need clear instruction, interesting activities, and good strategies to manage all students actively. By using games, teamwork, classroom rules, and integrated skill activities, the learning process can become more organized, interactive, and enjoyable for students.